negative operations. So let's understand what to do in these cases, okay? So you bought Bitcoin at $10,000 and you were expecting it to drop to $8,000. And when you tried buying it again, it was climbing up to $11,000, $13,000. What should you do? You wait for it to drop again? Or let's just buy it right now and start making money while it's climbing? Let's practice this in your computer. Obviously, this example is for Bitcoin, but you can use the same model for all the other currencies. So first of all, you have to be wired. You have to be connected to the market. Let's look at this. Germany started regulating the cryptocurrency market. So you give Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies a new life whenever something like this happens. So you have to follow the news on all the cryptocurrencies and the ones you're buying. So let's take a look at this operations when you operating red. So let's see this right now. So you lost money. You expected the currency would go up. So what do? Do you sell? Do you position yourself again in the market? What do? So when you hear being celebrate the loss of a currency, be a practical trader. So now I'm going to show you in real time, live, we're going to buy and we're going to sell a Bitcoin. Okay, Foxbit, the current price is 36,649 and the buying price is 36,549. So let me just get my Google authentication code. My code is right here. I'm going to type the code 731-145. The code changes every couple of seconds. So in this account, I have 0.49. Let's say I have almost half a Bitcoin, okay? Let me zoom in. So this is equivalent to 18,000 reais, okay? If I'm going to sell it. So since I know that the lowest price was 34,000 and the highest price was 37, the current price is 36,649 reais. This is Brazilian reais. Maybe this is a good moment to sell it. Okay, so let's sell it at 36,649. And then we're going to buy it again when it's around 34,800. Okay. So then we're going to sell it again. And we're going to have more money when it climbs up, when the price goes up again. So offer book. I'm going to sell 1,000 reais here just to test, just as a test. Okay. So 9 is 4:04 a.m. 2/03/2018. And tomorrow I'm gonna buy it again. I'm gonna see if we can buy it again and see if we can profit from that. Okay. So I'm gonna fill in a selling order. So there's somebody paying 36,510. So I'm gonna click here. That's close to 1,000 reais. So I'm gonna close here. So I'm gonna sell here. Let's see if we're gonna make it. Let's put 1,000 reais only. 1,000 reais and 10 cents, okay? Let's sell it. Okay, our sell was successfully performed. So look at this, only 995 reais. So Junior, haven't you just sold 1,000 reais? Because there is the fee, guys. Every time you perform a trade, there is a fee for the exchange, okay? Every exchange has their own fee. They go from 0.5 to 0.025%. That depends on the exchange, okay? So let's see the history. I sold 1,000.10 cents and we sold 0.02739. So we sold this amount and we had the 995 reais, okay? So I'm gonna leave an open order. So just in case that if the price goes down too low, I'll buy it back. So let's take a look. I wanna buy back my 995,000. If it goes to 35,050. Okay, I'm gonna buy it again. So 35,050, I'm gonna buy again automatically. So it's my order. So I'm gonna paste the amount here. Remember, we sold 0.02739206, and this is equivalent to 995 reais and 10 cents. Okay, so let's see if we can buy it back at 35,000. We will have this amount here, 0.28. Okay, so we already have a margin if we're able to buy. So if I wake up tomorrow and I see the market is going back up again, so the price is not going to reach the price that I imagined. So it might go to 35,900. Okay, so I'm gonna sell this order. I'm gonna leave this order open. Okay, I'm gonna click the maximum possible. I'm gonna sell buy. I'm gonna click on buy, and this order is gonna be generated. So let's wait for this order to be sent. 35,050. Let's see if our orders were generated. If this order was generated, open order. Yeah. So this order has been open. Okay, it's waiting for someone to sell this fraction for this price. So people want to buy it for a highest price. So my order is gonna be really low. It's going to be really down there. So see you tomorrow when I'm going to do again our order, okay? So now we have a decision to make. As a good trader, now you know the best decision to make. So last class, we traded our Bitcoin into reais. We purchased 1,000 reais in Bitcoin, okay? Well, let's log in. So the operation is still open. So let me just authenticate with Google again. 513,944. Yeah, that's us. Let's see it. So remember, we got 995 reais. So we open an order. Let's check our history. Open orders. So our order is still open, okay? Waiting for somebody to buy. If the price went down to 35,050, let's see the ones that were performed. So we sold it for we sold 1,000 reais when the price was 35,510. We expected it to go down, the price to go down, but it didn't happen. So actually, there was some news. Some countries started legalizing and regulating. So actually, it went up. So what are we going to do? Now is the time to make a decision. Is the Bitcoin price keep on climbing, or will it go back to the price I purchased it? Okay, of 36,510, the price I sold it actually. So this is the decision to make right now. Should I lose this, let's say, this market high? Am I not making more? Am I making more? So let's say it goes up to 40,000 reais. I'm going to lose this, let's say, almost 3,000 Brazilian reais. So right now, I sold it at 36,510, and now I'm going to buy it again for something around 37,800. So if I don't do it right now, and maybe it's going to continue climbing, I'm going to be off out of this price market, okay, going up, market climbing, let's call it. So I'm going to buy it again. If it goes up to 39,000, I'll get my money back. So it goes to 45,000, let's imagine. I'm not going to make all this margin. So what is my decision? So it looks like the price is going higher actually. So right now we're losing money. So maybe I'm going to cancel my order. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Open orders. I'm going to cancel my order. So now I'm going to buy the Bitcoin again. So let's say even though it's a bit more expensive, it's still worth it, okay? So 995 reais. So people who are selling at 37,764. So we're going to see if somebody will Let's buy right now from this person. Our order was successfully executed. Partially, yeah, I still have 157 here. My order is still open. So part of it, so I'm going to cancel the part that was left. Let's see this price here, 37,000, and I'm going to buy the rest. So I bought it again. So look what happened here. So I bought 157 back. So now I have the Bitcoin again. So if the price continues to climb, now we're gonna have the profit, our profit from this price growth. Okay. So now I'm not gonna repeat this mistake. So there's nothing indicating that the price is going down again. So I'm gonna keep this amount. Okay. I have to. Now, you're not always gonna profit, but I gotta decide what kind of risks I'm gonna have. So you have an instance, I'm sorry, you're gonna suffer an instance of loss, an instant of loss, but we have to believe that the market will continue rising. Okay, the price will continue climbing. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Let's go for the next one.